Okay, we're getting hail. Am I getting it? Just some of it. What do you think of that, Shasha? Hail. Oh, look at the rain. We have had rain. I've been thinking about my garden all day. Look at that gorgeousness over there. Oh, it's raining. Look, I've done nothing this year. Nothing, hardly at all. And there's still some success to draw upon. Planting the comfrey was a good move. It seemed like a little too much, but I don't have to fight weeds in those areas. I've got free mulch. And look, all my little plants are happy. That is just gorgeousness right there. Look at the sun. I love that. Look at that. Can y'all see that? In that corner? Let me get a close-up. Oh, that kind of takes away the sun, the way it looks. Oh, goodness. Look at this. Look. Oh, she did come outside. Oh, miracles do happen. Look at you. Well, I'm going right back inside. I smell oregano. Not oregano, excuse me, arugula. Look at the arugula. And look, there's bugs already here. That's sad. But I could still eat it. Ooh, wait a minute, I'm cooking. Let me go inside. Whoops. Okay, I've got to show you guys this. I turned my back for a couple of months and look what happens. No, actually, I've been watching the fig tree, wondering how long I was going to be teased by the figs. And look at this. All of these are ripening. Look at this. Well, look. Something beat me to it. And let's see. Look here. That ripened. Something beat me to it. And that one, it ripened. Something beat me to it. Shall I continue? And this one, look at that big juicy one. Ripened. But and there it is. Something beat me to it and looks like it was a wasp or something. And this one, look, that one ripened, but something beat me to it. And that one, and it's, look at that. Well, wildlife. I guess I'm doing my part. I did get, oh, and there's another one. Look at that, back over there, another one. Well, it's mid-August. Boy, figs stink. I don't like how they smell. And things are ripening. I better start picking some figs. Like, maybe just before they're like totally ripe, because I can see. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's one. That one's already been eaten. Nasty. Nasty, nasty, ooh, is this one kind of okay? That one feels I need a basket. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. Plus it's also, oops, it's also the time when mosquitoes might be out here. Okay, this is going to be my first fig. I hope I'm not accidentally eating some added protein. There's one being eaten. I better come pick some. I'm thinking about doing yard work tonight. I can't take it. My yard needs some help. Well, I got one fig. It could stay on the tree a little bit longer. That'd be the way to go, but no. No. Sound effects. Oh no, is right. Ooh, there's one. Wait. Ooh, fly, get away from me. Oh my goodness, this is good though. No. How about this one? Ouch. Something's already biting me. Ouch. I'm gonna have to run. Something bit me. Ouch. Okay. Wait a minute. Nope. You're being consumed. But you were ripe, weren't you? Well.